If you've got a personal shopping service and you're looking for an affordable professional website to advertise your services, you're definitely in the right spot today. So keep watching this video. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to use the Mighty Sites platform to build a simple website for your personal shopping service. If you haven't heard of Mighty Sites before, Mighty Sites is an easy to use website generator for small businesses. You can literally launch your own websites in less than a minute and manage it from your smartphone. It's super affordable. It's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. So make sure you click on the link below this video. Start that free trial. You don't even have to put your credit card details in. Once you join the platform, the first thing it's going to ask you to at the top is to search for your markets. We have hundreds of different markets to choose from for various small businesses. We are adding more markets every single week. Let's go ahead and search for our market, personal shopper. There it is over there. Let's go ahead and select that template. Great. Let's tell Mighty Sites a few basic details about our personal shopping business. Put in your business name and your city and your state or region. Doesn't matter where in the world your business is located. You can enjoy the Mighty Sites service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Once you've clicked on continue, Mighty Sites will automatically generate a simple website for your business with the information you've just put in and automatically bring up this pop-up over here showing you how to customize your new website in under 30 seconds. For now, I'm going to close that off because today I'm going to be the one to show you the ropes. Now, the beauty of Mighty Sites is we've actually pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course. We've also pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality. They're completely free for you to use as well. They don't look like they've been taken on a mobile phone. Very professional looking. However, I'm sure you have some of your own images you'd like to showcase on your websites. Maybe you don't offer all these services and you want to make the sections a little bit more personalized to your business, give it a little bit of a personalized touch. Today, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to do that. You don't need to know any coding, be a web professional in any kind of way, or have any of those skills. And you certainly don't need to hire anyone to help you with this either. You can literally do it all yourself, even if you're not that tech savvy. So let's go ahead, click on the first section. I'm now going to go ahead and pop in my email address over here. I want to make sure that that's visible on my website. So let's go ahead and tick that box. Excellent. Phone numbers, click to call, and physical location, maybe your mobile, but if you have one, pop your website, your physical location. And over here, when your website's live, your customers can click on that address and be taken directly to Google Maps. Under update social links, put in the various links for your social media platforms. The icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom of your website so your customers can connect with you on social media. If you have a business logo, and the next section is where you can upload it. Once your logo has been uploaded, you can crop it, rotate it, add filters or frames by clicking on that little pencil. Otherwise, here on the right is where we can make our logo bigger and smaller just to fit into that section a little bit better. To change the colors on your Mighty Sites website, you don't need to know color coding. Click on that paint bucket, bottom right-hand corner, go through the various color palette options available for you to use. For each section, all you need to do is click on update section, that white button directly underneath it. And update image is where you could browse your device and upload your own images or search through the photo library, hundreds of free high quality images to choose from. As you can see, you also have the option to connect your Instagram account if you have a business profile and pull in all those images. Under update action, we have those call to action buttons, amend the text here, and where they link to. You can even upload a PDF file. In the last section at the bottom, we have a lead generation form where your customers can easily reach out to you, keep track of all your leads in your Mighty dashboard. You'll also get a new email alert every single time you get a new lead from this form to your registered email accounts. If you have a custom domain for your business, go ahead and click on the connect your domain button at the bottom. If you don't have a custom domain for your website, we really recommend that you get one. Makes your website look even more professional, trustworthy, and that way you can stand out from all your competitors. You actually have the option to purchase a custom domain via our platform as well by clicking on that button too. I really hope this short tutorial was helpful in building a simple website for your personal shopping service on the Mighty Sites platform. Happy shopping, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Really wishing you and your business mighty success.